Good morning, students. We have studied up till the debenture, means the long-term source of raising borrowed fund. Next, we have to study, that is, difference between shares and debentures. Shares and debentures, the first point of difference is nature. Nature, what's the nature of shares and debenture? I have already told you that share is a part of owner's fund, means owner's fund. Share is a part of owner's fund, like equity and preference. The company issued equity and preference to raise their fund, medium term finance, या long term finance, means कि to raise the company's finance, company will issue equity or preference shares. So shareholders are the owners of the company and shares are the owners fund. It is a part of owners fund. Debentures are a part of borrowed fund. Debenture holders are the creditors of the company. So debenture is a part of borrowed fund. डिबेंचर जो कि हम पहले पढ़ चुके हैं, तो ये लॉन्ग टर्म फाइनेंस है, वो भी बोरोड फंड का. शेयर्स में इक्विटी और प्रेफरेंस आते हैं, तो ये कंपनी के ओनर्स होते हैं. इस वजह से इनके तरफ से जो भी फंड, इनकी तरफ से जो भी फाइनेंस कंपनी में इंक्लूड होता है या इन्वेस्ट होता है, उसको हम ओनर्स फंड में रखते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज नोन एज या स्टेटस. शेयर होल्डर्स को कंपनी के हम ओनर्स कहते हैं. ये तो सबको पता है कि शेयर होल्डर्स आर द ओनर्स ऑफ द कंपनी एंड डिबेंचर होल्डर्स आर द creditors of the company. They are the borrowers of the company who give their money in the form of bond. Whenever they need it, they go to company and return their bond to the company, and company will repay their amount with interest. Next is voting rights. Shareholders, because shareholders are the owners of the company, so that shareholders have the voting rights of a company or a firm, and debenture holders do not get any voting rights or any activities. They are not included in any activities of a firm, and they don't have any voting right, and shareholders are the owners of the company, so that they have the voting right. Next is control. Because shareholders are the owners, real owners of the company, so shareholders have the control related to the company decisions, related to the activities of the firm. Mostly the equity shareholders are the whole control of the business, and in debenture holders there are no control over the affairs of the company. Means debenture holders do not get any control, do not get any right, any control in the activities of the company. Next is right to return. Equity shareholders की अगर हम बात करें, तो they got return only if the profit will remain. Only if the profit will left, then equity shareholders will get return amount. Preference shareholders, if we talk about preference shareholders, they will get return if company will earn profit. The company, if the in case the company will get loss, no amount, no return will be paid to the equity or to the preference shareholders. But in preference debenture holders, they got fixed amount of interest. Means if a company doesn't matter, a company will get profit or loss, they will get the fixed rate of interest, and this is a legal right of all the debenture holders. Next is security. When the company issue equity or preference shares, they don't give any mortgage, any security money to the shareholders. Means shareholders do not get any security amount from the company. But in debentures, they got amount of security in case the company will not, in that situation, that they will repay the amount, then the debenture holders will sold this security, this current assets or security to repay their amount. So debenture holders will get the security or current assets or any mortgage, means girvi, but shareholders don't get any mortgage, any security. Next is redemption. Accept redeemable preference shares, means I have told you that preference shareholders are of two types. First one is that preference shareholders who are redeemable, and second is who are not redeemable, means accept those preference shares who are redeemable. Other than these types of preference shares, no other shares will be redeemable. Means if a person will purchase or a person will buy the shares of a company, then he or she will not redeem the share of a company except this type of preference shares, means redeemable preference shares. सिर्फ इन्हीं को ये राइट होता है, इन्हीं के पास ये ऑप्शन होता है कि वो अगर पैसा नहीं चुका पा रहे हैं तो वो शेयर्स को रिडीम कर दें, वापस कर दें कंपनी को. लेकिन इनके अलावा और किसी को भी राइट और किसी को भी ये ऑप्शन नहीं मिलता है कि आपने शेयर्स कंपनी ख़रीद लिया और अब उसको वापस कर सकें अगर आप पे नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो. लेकिन डिबेंचर होल्डर्स में ऑप्शन एक्सपायरी का या तो फिक्स पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के बाद डिबेंचर्स रिडीम किए जा सकते हैं. ये ऑप्शन डिबेंचर होल्डर्स को दिए जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज रिस्क. If we talk about the equity shareholders, I have told you they are the primary risk bearers. है ना? I have told you that the equity shareholders are the primary risk bearers. Primary risk bearers means whenever the company will get loss, whenever the company will get risk, then the equity shareholders will firstly bear that risk. Equity shareholders will firstly get the loss. So shareholders are the primary risk bearers, especially equity shareholders. But if we talk about debentures, there is minimum risk in case of debentures. Means अगर कंपनी में लॉस या रिस्क होता है, पहली बात तो डिबेंचर होल्डर को कोई मतलब नहीं होता है, और अगर हेवी रिस्क हुआ है तो डिबेंचर होल्डर्स थोड़ा बहुत कंट्रीब्यूट कर देंगे. अदरवाइज पूरा का पूरा रिस्क या पूरा का पूरा लॉस की जिम्मेदारी किसके ऊपर होती है? शेयर होल्डर्स. That's why we called them as a real owners of the company. And the amount which are invested by the shareholders are owners fund. And the amount which is invested by the debentures are the part of borrowed fund. Okay, so these are the difference between shares and debentures. Okay, read it, and if you found any doubt or any problem, then ask me.